Okay, this is our Finnish sauna. You get to it past our existing cabin, which we use for people to get changed in. You come round the back into what is a completely private area. As you can see, we've got a sofa on the left hand side. We've got a shed purposely, and the sauna's on the right hand side, just past the fire pit here. We also have a very lovely outdoor shower which runs hot and cold water. You come into the sauna unit itself. There is an integrated control and changing room. So you see the digital control panel on the right allows us to heat it up, etc. Then you've got a collection of attractive sauna hats, so hooks for changing, water we fill up, and also a speaker. We tend to keep the blinds down in the summer to keep the light out, and in the winter blinds go up because you get beautiful moonlight and the stars coming through. The sauna itself, based on a Finnish design, so heater on the right hand side. We've got your foot benches and your sitting area here. The staircase doubles as both a means to get yourself up onto the sitting area and also the safety zone to keep away from the heater. Let's go inside now. So you got the steps. And we have the timer on the thing. I'm just sitting here in the corner. This is one of the hotter parts of the thing. The heater's down on the right. The air comes in through it under the door, and there's a vent at the bottom as well. And the vent directly above it is great because it brings in cool, fresh, oxygenated air, which mixes with the hot air. So you get a nice, refreshing sort of waft of hot, oxygenated air when you're in the sauna here. It takes 4 people comfortably. On the back of this stuff here, it was, I designed it myself, and I helped build it with Alan, a skilled local carpenter. Nathan did the electricals, Paul did the tiling, and Charlie did the groundworks and all the paving. The insulation is very good indeed, multiple layers of insulation, which works extremely well. The ventilation, we have the 2 vents on the right hand side plus under the door, and on the far wall underneath my feet, halfway down, is the exit vent for the expended air as well, so you never get stuffy on the back of those things here. There's a drainage channel on the floor which takes out any water and pushes it outside, so again it works extremely well, and it is a rather lovely place where I come to relax, reflect and renew, often on my own and sometimes with friends. And thank you very much to Sauna Timber in Peterborough for all their help and advice on what has created a rather beautiful and lovely experience. Thank you very much.